Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Labs. Today we will learn about TEXTJOIN function. So what is TEXTJOIN function, right? It's basically a function which is used for you to join two texts or any special characters present in two different cells. Here I have a data set where I'm going to show you how TEXTJOIN function can be used. Okay, so I have 20 records here. So firstly I'll start with the equal to sign, text join, press the tab. Now the first thing here is the delimiter, right? The delimiter here is nothing but what is the text that you will be using to separate two different strings. I will be using double quotes, which means it's a string but just a space, comma. Now you have two options here, whether to use true or false, which means should I ignore empty cells or should I include empty cells. For this example it doesn't matter, you can give true. I double click on true, comma, specify the first cell or text 1, comma, specify the second cell or text 2. Close the bracket, enter, and now we have John Smith. You see this marker when I reach here, click and drag, or you can double click on it so that you have the entire range filled. Simple, right? So this is about TEXTJOIN. Okay, now let's look at another example where here I have another data set where you would need the full name of a person and the mail ID. So for the full name here, the catch is that I'm not going to use any delimiter. So our delimiter here would be two quotes, which means that it's nothing, and I'll use the text join function here. Text join, press tab. My delimiter will be two quotes without any space, which means you don't have to give any space between two text. So now I'll select true, comma, my first character or text, comma, my second character, close the bracket. So now John Smith is written without any delimiter. Now let me double click here to get the whole thing. Now here I have the full name and the mail ID from. Now what would be the delimiter between this and this? It's basically at the rate, right? Now what we will do is we will use text join, tab, press the delimiter, which is at the rate in double quotes, comma, I'll ignore empty spaces for now, comma, text 1 will be the full name, comma, and the mail ID or the mail vendor. Press enter, we have John Smith at Gmail. So we got this value. Now let's add full mail ID. So how we can add full mail ID is nothing but we have the mail ID here and adding .com, right? You might have seen me using this particular formula called concatenate, where we have text 1, text 2 will be in double quotes, .com, double quotes closed, close the bracket and enter. So now we have the full mail ID. Double click on it and you have the entire mail ID here. So this is what the TEXTJOIN function does in Excel. For more such videos, please visit Excel Labs and also subscribe to my channel so that you get new information daily. Thank you.